4th of July, it's Mitchell, and today I'm going to show you how to use, since it's July 4th, I'm going to show you how to use the app Blindfold Fireworks, where you can make your own fireworks. And as you can tell, I changed the music. It's not that other songs, I changed the music because it's 4th of July. I hope you like it. If not, who cares, because you can change it. So I'm going to show you the app Blindfold Fireworks, where you can make your own fireworks just by different taps and swipes. And so usually when you start up this app, it's called Blindfold Fireworks. It's free, but there's in-app purchases. Usually when you start up the app, it's going to say there are other games, because there's other blindfold games, and it's going to show you a list of all the other blindfold games in the series, and you can click it and it will take you to the App Store to get that game. Or if you already have it, you just hit open in the App Store. Alright, so let's go to Blindfold Fireworks.
Blindfold Fireworks.
Double tap.
Blindfold Fireworks menu.
Alright, so it says Blindfold Fireworks menu. I just open the app, and in this option, in this setting, you can choose to start new game.
Start game. Button. Help.
You can help, so you can click help, so there's a user guide. It tells you how to use the app. It's very short, but I'm not going to go over it, because
Settings.
Settings?
Button.
I'll show you the settings. So open the settings screen.
Settings. Heading. Done. Button.
You hit the done if you want to get
Game
out of
settings. Heading. Game settings. Heading. Seconds before applause begins. Now it is 2.
Alright, so you can adjust that to after each set of fireworks you do. When you're done, after 2 seconds, you'll get applause. I'll show you that too. Or you can set it to however long you want it to be. There's a few options you can choose from.
Common settings. Heading.
That's the only settings in this game. That has to do with this game. The setting, common settings, you're gonna see in all the blindfold games. Those are just the regular settings in your regular blindfold games.
Customize voices.
Customize voices.
Use braille display instead of speaking. Repeat message if it wasn't spoken. Now it is on. About. Heading.
And that's all
Version
about.
1.1.0.
Tells you the version and all that stuff. Let's get out of here.
Done. Button.
Now next,
Blindfold Fireworks menu.
I'm gonna
Start
show
game.
you
Help. Settings. Buy or upgrade game.
the
Button.
upgrades you can get. So I already bought it. There's only one
Button.
for this game.
Buy or upgrade game. Heading. Done. Button.
So I bought this one. It's gonna say
Starter pack
purchased.
Starter pack $1.99 in limited usage. Purchased.
And that's exactly what it is. It's $1.99. You can. The game comes with 10 coins. So I don't remember how many coins it comes with. I think 7. I think it's 7 coins. 5 or 7. I'm not 100% sure. That you can play a game of fireworks. As many coins as you get. One game is worth 1 coin. So after a while you're playing, it'll exit you out of the game. And it'll take you back to the blindfold menu. And so you start a new game. Or if you swipe up with 3 fingers, that ends the game. Like all the blindfold games, and you use a coin. With the unlimited pack, it's $1.99. And you can get unlimited games of fireworks. And I bought that a long time ago. So let's hit the done button.
Starter pack. Done. Buy or done. Button.
And now I'm going to show you how to
Blindfold
use the app
Fireworks
to make you
menu.
an example of how the app works. So let's start game.
Start game.
Let's see if I get applause. Let's wait a few seconds. I guess not. Okay. So if you tap once, that makes like a short explosion. If you tap with 2 fingers, it's kind of longer. Here, I'll show you. Tap once. Makes a short one. If you wait 2 seconds. Thank you. Thank you very much. Tap 2 fingers, it makes a longer one. Sounds like the world's biggest popcorn maker. And you can do multiple. Tap again, tap again. If you swipe up, it's a short whistle or a rocket launch. There's that one. If you swipe down, it's a longer whistle or a rocket launch. And... Alright, shut up. Okay, we get it. If you swipe left... Wait till it's done, but if you swipe left, it's a sparkler. You light a sparkler, and it lasts for about 30 seconds. And swiping right puts it in a bucket of water. Look. Light my sparkler. And then if you want to put it in a bucket of water, you swipe right. That's dumping your sparkler into a bucket of water. Swiping down with 2 fingers. Let's wait for the applause. Thanks. If you swipe down with 2 fingers, it's a longer explosion. It can last from anywhere from 15 seconds to 2 minutes, so let's see. And that's really all. You can do a little finale if you want and just start tapping away. Sorry, such a short fireworks shot. Those last, I think that's about a 2-minute one. You'll hear a crowd in the background. And those are the really big fireworks. I think those are the longest ones. That's about all you can do with this. It's just a cool game to use fireworks. It's cooler in headphones. This app, you're not going to get the headphone effect if you put them on, except for the music at the beginning and end. Just because it's like, I don't have a mixer board, I'm just using an app, so it's not recording the full effect. It's not really like 3D, like where you hear it all around you, but it's really good quality. Still good quality, like. So, alright, that'll do it. Let's exit out.
Exclamation point going back to main menu.
I just swiped up with 3 fingers, now I'm in the menu again. And that's about all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy 4th of July. Have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.